Hi guys! Thank you for staying with the course. I just want to talk about the best value you can get from this course. To make sure that you're able to use it to the best potential possible, that you actually become an Instagram hero. First thing, I need you to finish this course from the first to the last lesson. If you're not an Instagram expert or an Instagram marketer yet, you should listen to every video in this course. I have divided this course into bite-sized videos. No video is too long, so you can start a video and finish within a few minutes, and then go on to the next video whenever you have more free time. But make sure you listen to and watch every single video in this course, because that will help you a lot in mastering this course. At the end of this course, you are going to get a certificate from Udemy telling you that you have finished the course successfully, and it should be your aim to get this certificate. The best thing is that you can get the certificate only when you have watched every single video and finished the course. So it's going to be a great motivation. Set out today to get the certificate. Post it on your Facebook, Twitter, and show it to your friends. You can show people that you have actually started and finished something. Now you have a new skill. Number 2. I am committed to making this a 5-star course for you. This course must be the best Instagram course that you have ever taken. If you think that is so, go ahead and rate this 5-star. Tell me that you like this course and motivate me to make better content for you. But if you don't think this course deserves 5-star, if you think there is something missing that should have been included in the course, go ahead and tell me about it in the messaging section of the course. Tell me what you want that is missing, and I will try to add what is missing in the course and make sure that is 5-star level for you, because I want you to succeed on Instagram, and I want to make sure that you get the entire value that you need. So go ahead and tell me what is stopping you from rating this 5-star. I will try and add that in the course. Number 3. You can join our Facebook group and be a part of the ongoing community of marketers. Interact with them and learn from other people who are taking courses like this. Talk to them about the problems, opportunities, what they're doing that makes them successful. Interact and exchange ideas. That is very important as an internet marketer. You need to do that all the time. So join our course. Join our Facebook group. It's called Winning with Technique Force. You can search it on Facebook. We already have over 2,600 people and more people are joining every day. So go ahead and become a part of the community and let us grow together. From there, let us help each other do better marketing. Now let's get started with the next chapter and continue learning.